Today is gonna be a good day. Let's see what the manager has in store for us. Gilbert, I need you to handle the Brookfield Express. You like going fast. Go as fast as you can for our passengers. Always hardworking and ready to go, sir. Lewis, I need you to work extremely hard on those freight cars. They are really heavy, but you are one of the strongest engines on the line. What? What was it? Oh, Lewis, something always goes in one ear and out on the next. Look, the manager said that you need to handle those freight cars. All right. No freight car is enough to seize my strong work. Thompson, you're the commanding engine on the railroad. I need you to keep the other engines in order. I won't let them out of my sight. George and Beth, you need to deliver tankers to the old engine shed. The empty sheds need certain cars to occupy its space. Of course, sir. I would be reliable and strong today. Eddie Matthews, I need you to help Roderick deliver the logs for Baxter. Baxter needs to haul them to Harper's Valley. Yes, sir. Eddie, what's wrong? I really hope that Roderick could learn to keep himself safe. He could truly get himself into turmoil if he continues to defy the ways of the rails. Don't worry, Eddie. Children could get wrong ideas at times. But if an older engine helps them choose the right path, then they will learn what to do and keep themselves and others safe. Yes, that would be good. Thanks, Beth. Anytime, Eddie. What is it you have to say, Mother? Logs are just calling my name. I need to deliver them right now. Roderick, remember, the logs need to be prepared. We have to be patient. I don't want to be patient. We should be hauling them already. We will, Roderick. We will. The logs are ready, Mr. Matthews. Well done, Amelia. Be a good girl, okay? Alright. Oh boy! The logs are already prepared! Roderick, The flat cars need to be attached first. No need to get overexcited.
Looks like we're doing a job well done. How do you feel?
To be honest, it's nice to shunt these cars. Come on, let's do our other jobs now.
Collecting sheep? You've got it.
I'm almost there! I just love filling these logs, but my ears are getting wore out. We're almost there, Roderick. Hello, Baxter. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I see you've brought the logs. Well, you've been strong, Eddie, haven't you?
I'm a strong engine, too!
I could see. Now, I've got a story to tell you. Once, there was a school teacher who was holding a magical item. She was running from an evil person. She decided to hide the item in a cottage beside this river here. Then, with a special key, the school teacher locked the cottage. After that, she hid the key inside the mines so that the evil one would not get inside the cottage and find that magical item. Follow the river, and you will find the special key. Well, Eddie, Roderick, I've got to go and deliver these logs now. It was nice speaking to you again.
Well, Mr. Matthews, I wish I could find the key. Well, Roderick, I don't think that following the river would be safe, especially since he mentioned that the key was in the mine. Roderick! Sorry, Mr. Matthews, but I want to find this key. If I find it, I will be a really special engine. Roderick, no! You could get hurt. There you are. We have to get out right now. But the river is also here. I have to find the key, Mr. Matthews. We have to get out, Roderick. The whole mine could collapse. Oh dear. Eddie should have been at the depot by now. He only had to work with Roderick to deliver the logs.
I agree with you, Beth. I think he would need help. He could be in trouble.
Gilbert! Gilbert! I'm here. Why? Eddie Matthews could be in trouble. We need you to search for him, please. Don't worry, Beth. You can rely on me. Oh, Mr. Matthews, it's so cold and dark here. I know, Roderick. Don't worry. You'll get out as soon as we find an exit. Mr. Matthews! Mr. Matthews! Oh, phew! That stone isn't very big. Oh, I found the key! Mr. Matthews, I found the key! I found it! That's great news, Roderick. I don't know about this old cottage, but what we're going to do now is look for an exit.
I don't know where Eddie is. Perhaps he might be back at the shed. Maybe he's inside that cave. Eddie, I'm here! Don't worry! I will get you out of that cave!
Roderick, did you hear? Gilbert is going to get us out. Gilbert, get Leroy. And fast.
I'm on it! Well, you guys are out now. Good job, friends. That cave is very perilous, but you made it through alive and well.
Yes, we are now able to repose after a very long, tiring day. Thank you, Leroy.
I'm sorry I went against your wishes, Mr. Matthews. If it weren't for me, we wouldn't have been trapped in that mine.
It's okay. Let's not cry over spilled milk, Roderick. But remember, you are special just the way you are. You don't have to go on some dangerous quest to be important. Just be yourself.
Thanks, Mr. Matthews.
You should be careful in these mines. They're very dangerous. I could see that you two got in some kind of predicament here. It's good to know that you're safe.
Not only safe, but I found the key to the old cottage Baxter was speaking of.
The key was mentioned in my mother's letter to me, as well as the cottage. I know where the old cottage is here. She said it hasn't been used in years, and that it has a message for us. You all have to see this. Isn't that Elizabeth Thornton? My mother. Hello, I am Elizabeth Thornton. And I am Lucas Bouchard. And we need to speak about something very important. Some years ago, Hope Valley helped expand a railroad to connect to its station. That railroad is called the Nation Pacific.
Our railroad.
But then, an evil young lady declared that steam was to be no more, and that diesel locomotives would take charge. She vowed to eliminate all of steam. We fought to defend the steam engines, and we kept them well hidden. However, there were many casualties. Hope Valley was destroyed, in fact. Most of our buildings were beyond repair. But at last, that evil woman was arrested, and now we hope for an environment where steam and diesel engines can work together peacefully. But I am afraid to say that I have heard news that she is running free today, plotting her revenge on this railroad. Please, keep watch and stand together. Defend your people and engines from any harm she could cause. Keep watch, for she will do anything to make sure that all steam is gone forever, so that she is in control. You need to know who she is, so that you can identify this person and keep yourself and others safe from her. Her name is Marigold Coulter, the daughter of...
The daughter of who? Who are her parents? Tell us! Tell us!
Well, this magical orb is a bit old. We must not force it to bring out everything. We need some time.
I can't believe this. Are we in danger? Is something going to happen to us?
Not if we do something about this. The Nation Pacific Railroad was made as a railroad for both steam and diesel engines to run side by side. They work together, no matter what, and there would be nothing they cannot do. That's what you said, Eddie, didn't you? I said that, and I promise you, this will happen. Steam and diesels shall stand together and defend this railroad. The Nation Pacific Railroad is our home, and we have friends who love us and care for us in every way. We shall never allow bad people to take charge of our home, because it is a place of purity, a place of kindness, a place of unity. And that is something they are never allowed to take away. We may be different, but that's what makes us special. We are different, yet united. We are the engines of the Nation Pacific Railroad.